How to convert multiple images to PDF. So let's get started. So first, just head over to your Google browser or any of your favorite browser. And if you also want to convert multiple images to PDFs, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to this website called I Love PDF. And once you're inside here, it's one of the best websites to convert any of the files from into PDF format or from PDF to other format. So since we want to convert our images to PDF, here we need to select this option, that is JPG to PDF. So if you do not have already selected JPG to PDF, you can always convert your PNG files to JPG via using different website. So you can also actually click on this website from over here as well and just click on this JPG images. So I will simply select for this example one or two images just like this. So let's say I want to select these three images, one, two, and this one, three, and simply open the images which you have. And you can also actually reposition the files or photos position accordingly, and make sure to merge all the images into one file PDF file, which will help you to create all of these images into a singular PDF file. And finally click on convert to PDF just like that. And once it has been converted, just select download PDF button over here to view your download folder, download file just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.